In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo card archive in Trello. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where the card was originally archived. This part matters because archived cards are managed inside the specific board they came from, so you'll need to be in the right place before you can restore anything. After the board opens, look to the top right area of the screen and click the three-dot icon to open the board menu. This menu gives you access to several board options, including archived content. When the menu appears, click on Archived Items. That will open the section where Trello stores cards and lists that have been removed from the active board view, but not permanently deleted. Once you're inside Archived Items, scroll through the archived cards until you find the one you want to bring back. If there are a lot of archived cards and scrolling takes too long, use the search option if it's available. Searching can save time, especially if you remember part of the card title. This is the easiest way to quickly locate a card without manually checking everything one by one. When you find the correct card, look just below or beside it for the Restore option, then click Restore. As soon as you do that, Trello will unarchive the card and place it back onto the board. In most cases, the card returns to its original list automatically. If that original list was deleted, Trello will place the restored card into a default available list instead. So don't worry if it doesn't show up exactly where it used to be. At this point, the archived card has been successfully restored, and you can open it again, edit it, move it, or continue working on it like normal. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One helpful tip is to double-check the card title before restoring, especially if you have multiple archived cards with similar names. That can help you avoid restoring the wrong one and having to archive it again. It's also a good idea to glance through the board after restoring the card, just to confirm where Trello placed it. If it returned to a different list because the original no longer exists, you can simply drag the card to the list you want. And that's it. That's how to undo a card archive in Trello and bring your card back in just a few clicks.